we're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say.
月老在苦咖啡，让沉迷彻夜难眠，陪我一个人煮咖啡，像落地的大雁，自己往南边飞呀，妈妈哦。
No oven, jiggly fluffy chiffon cake. First, borrow 3 eggs from a cute chicken. Send sugar and oil as new friends. Mix well before milk joins. Sieve cake flour and cornstarch to remove unpleasant lumps. The batter will be smooth and fine. After adding vanilla, let's beat egg whites over low speed. Sugar will be given in 3 batches. Until firm peaks, start mixing 1/3 egg whites into the batter. Mix it from under to up and then bring the bag around. Spread out the batter evenly, then steam for 30 minutes over medium heat. Ta-da! Moist and fluffy!
Beef or chicken? Beef. Wrong. It's chicken.